Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in additional of today's newspaper on Friday, December the 8th, 2023. And I've already solved three puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the binary puzzle. And one puzzle is left remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 7587. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. 12. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 12. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. I do not know. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to use. Can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box. There single box. Always a 1. Next question. Do we have here in this puzzle duo boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. Here duo box. There duo box. Contains the 1 and 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Next question, do we have a triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well. No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Here quadra box. Here quadra box. And there quadra box. These 3 boxes can be a 4. So around the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. So the 1, the 2, and the 3 are left. Alright. Cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. How about here? These 3 boxes. So around the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be there. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. How about here? Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Insufficient information right now. Alright then, the following step or strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Yeah. Incorrect. We have a one here. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's 1 or a 2 here. But it can be a 1. We have a 1 here. So it should be 2 is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Alright. Then the following shape, figure, structures or construction. How about the T shape? We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, this is 1 or a 2 here. Okay. Do we have more T-shapes in this puzzle? No. T-shapes. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. only one. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? The L shape mirrored this box has the same number as that box. So this box the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Then this box, 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. This box cannot be 3 or a 5. We have a double 3 there. And a double 5 there. So 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then let me see. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then, let me see. Well, 2, 2, okay. These 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. This box can be a 3 or a 5. We have a double 3 there, double 5 there. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. This box is connected with that box. So 3 or a 5. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1. That box should be a 2. And this one is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 1, and also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box should be there. Then, yeah, let me think. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Difficult part. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. These are 3 boxes. So round the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I'm stuck here. This box can be a 2. That box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution to place 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here then. Alright. Alright. Then, but it's not helping me. No one there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. One, 4, 3, 5. Come on. This is taking too long. Well. Go up. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, we have a double 4 there. And cannot be a 5, it's in the same area. Yeah, definitely a 3 is connected with that box, should be so 3. 3 and 5, we have 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 5 goes, and there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box. Should be so a 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 to 5. No, 3 to 4. Almost made a mistake. 3 to 4. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 3 to 4. 3 to 4. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5, and that box should be a 4. 3 to 5, we have 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 to 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 to 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. 3 or 5, we have a 3 now, so this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Then these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. The other pair should be the 2 and the 1, 2 and the 1, okay. I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2, can be 3 or a 4. We have double 3 there, double 4 there, and it can be a 5. Yes, definitely 1 is connected with that box. Should be also 1. And this one is also connected with that box. Should be also 1. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. Here I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes there. So 1 number left in this area for number 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes at there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes at there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4. Should be here, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes at there. I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 4. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers, one number left in this T-shaped area for number 3. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, yes, definitely 5. 3 or a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, that box can be a 3. So 1 box left of the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 1 and the 4. So the 1 goes here and the 4 goes right there. 1 number left in this area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this quarter box, the final 2 numbers, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there, finish in 15 minutes. Not under the 15 minutes. 2 stars. Let me give this 2 stars, and I like that. Not a 4, not a 3. 2 stars puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also with myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Friday. It's weekend. Until then, bye-bye for now.